Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel and to another video. So it's a beautiful morning the Lord has granted us, and I hope you are doing good wherever you are, and you bless God for the gift of life. So today's video, I'm just placing stickers on my product, and I decided to bring you guys along. Okay, during the week I got some mini orders to deliver today, and I'm just placing stickers on it and package it quickly so I can go and send it. So if it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. This channel is about skincare vlogs, lifestyle vlogs. Sometimes we do food, sometimes we exercise, we do workout, a whole lot. Sometimes we do shower routine just to show you how our product works on our skin. Okay, so we do, if it's your first time here and you don't know, we have a skincare line which is called Estaliaawoyaa Skin, and we have natural products like black soap, aloe vera facial wash, light marlin and lightening face cream. Any type of skin tone you have, we got product for you. We have body cream, we have body scrub, we have vitamin C serum, which I did a video on how to use it in my last video. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. It's working amazing. It's really working nice. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks. This is how the packaging is. Okay, very nice and cute. Okay, so we have our glow oil, which I'm here to place the stickers on it. So that's why we are here. If you need something like that, my contact is in the description box, and maybe I might put it on the screen as well. So if you want to, you just click on it. It will take you straight to me, and then you place your order. Then we will deliver it wherever you are on this planet. Okay, you got no problem. You got no problem at all. We're going to deliver it wherever you are. Okay, so yeah, let's just do this quickly. I have already started with the black soap, which I remembered. Why not do a vlog? Why not record this? Okay, so this is it. I just did this. Okay, this is how the black soap is. You see, this is how it looks. Very black, and it works nicely on the skin, trust me, and it smells so nice. I think I have to do a review on this as well, so watch it out in my next video. We're done with this too. There you go. So these two are glass, and I don't want it to be destroyed before it gets to the buyer. So I just cut some foam here. So I'm going to put it into this poly bag, then I put them in. So I'm just adding the pieces of my stickers. The back of we have a poly bag which has foam in it, and I need to get one so I can use it for this glasses center, or I can use it for these glasses. Okay, but when you get to the post office, when you are sending something like this at the post office, they'll ask you to buy Pampers and wrap it with it. But instead of going there and opening stores again, I know they are going to check it, but wrapping everything, sometimes when they are wrapping, they don't do it nicely. It doesn't look presentable. So I've decided to do my thing at home before I take it to them. So I'll just leave it like this. I'll then open it to them. Like this is it. So then I start wrapping my thing. Because that's for them. When you leave it to them, you just pack it anyhow for you. So this is how I'm cutting my foam. Yeah, this is how I'm cutting it. Just a quick one. How it looks inside. I don't know if you guys can see. This is how it looks inside. And this is the gift we have for every customer that buys from us, because we think about your kids as well. Okay, so you can use this yourself or either for your kids. So yeah. And let me do this one. This is going for a subscriber here in Ghana. Okay, so yeah, we are all done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So please do well to like, share with friends and family, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.